Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export all sources for your research quest or conversation on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you'd like to export the list of all sources that have been used for a specific request or conversation or thread here on Consensus AI for your own academic text, you can do this. So let me show you how. Navigate to Consensus app, for example, via the browser application or web application, then log into your account and navigate to your conversation, for example, through the history here or from the recents list on the left-hand side. Then here, once you're in your request, you will see the text provided by Consensus AI with these replies and also with all sources, as you can see. So you can hover your mouse over them and see, for example, the link here to copy to a clipboard to share the specific source, for example. But if you'd like to have, for example, all of them at once, because as you can see, such a reply may contain quite a lot of these sources, you can navigate to the list of sources here in the top right, and then you will see the results here for these sources that have been used, and also this button, export results. So what you want to do is click into it and then decide how to export these sources or results in CSV file format or bibliography, for example. Or you may click into that checkbox here if you'd like to use them in a follow-up question here, for example, right? So if you'd like to ask a follow-up question for the specific source, not for the entire request or topic, but only for the specific source. So that's how it is, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.